Welcome to Animal Characteristics. The objective is the student is expected to observe, record, and compare how the physical characteristics and behaviors of animals help them meet their basic needs. Animals have external characteristics that help meet their basic needs, such as a fish's fins, a bird's wings, or an elephant's trunk. Some structures are common. All oceans have finned fish, and all continents have winged birds. An elephant's trunk is unusual, as are a penguin's webbed feet and feathers, which are suitable for keeping it warm in harsh climates. Animals have structures for moving around. Some reptiles, such as lizards, have 4 legs for scooting around, while other reptiles, such as snakes, have no legs and slither back and forth to move around. Earthworms, snails, and slugs also have no legs but can move by contracting and extending their many soft body parts. Birds, bats, and many insects, such as butterflies or mosquitoes, have wings for flying through the air, but they also have legs for moving on surfaces. Birds have 2 legs, while insects have 6 legs. An octopus has 8 legs, while a millipede has many legs. Mammals have 4 limbs. Some move on all 4s, and others stand on 2 like humans. Some animals have special back legs hinged for hopping, such as grasshoppers, frogs, kangaroos, and rabbits. All animals have 4 legs, but the legs differ in size and shape. Elephants have enormous, wide legs to help support their weight, while giraffes have long, slender legs to help them reach trees and leaves. Animals with slender legs and hooves, such as horses or antelopes, are able to run fast like a horse or an antelope. Other animals with stronger leg muscles, such as cheetahs, are able to run faster. Animals also vary in body covering for protection and/or to keep warm or cool. Some animals, such as clams or turtles, have shells. Fish are covered in scales, while birds are covered in feathers. Other animals, such as porcupines or sea urchins, have spines for protection. Mammals have fur or hair for protection and warmth. Beetles and crabs have a hard covering, which also provides protection. Other animals, such as worms or jellyfish, have only thin skin for protection. Eyes and ears vary greatly among animals. Some animals, such as monkeys, have 2 eyes in the front of their heads, and some animals, such as fish, have 2 eyes on the sides of their heads. Some animals, such as flies, have multiple eyes, while other animals, such as worms, have no eyes at all. Animals can have huge ears, like elephants, long ears, like rabbits, or no ears, like snakes. Thousands of external characteristics exist among animals that differ in number, shape, and purpose. Animals have behaviors that help them meet their basic needs, such as hunting, swimming, diving, or flying. To capture food, animals have adapted a variety of successful hunting behaviors. Many simple marine creatures, such as sponges or sea anemones, do not swim to get food, but stay attached in one location and capture passing food with little hairs or tiny tentacles. Lobsters and crabs have large claws to catch prey. Some fish, such as sharks or tuna, work as a group to attack and confuse schools or groups of smaller fish. Other fish hide among rocks to wait for prey. Some animals, such as the cheetah, hunt alone using camouflage to hide them from prey. Wolves attack in packs to surround larger animals. Other animals, such as rattlesnakes or spiders, inject poisonous venom to stop prey. Insects have developed sensitive antennae to locate food sources. Swimming and diving structures move animals in different ways. Fish have fins and bodies that move side to side to help them swim. Squid actually move backwards, squirting water out in front. Clams flap their 2 shells rapidly to help them move. Seals, penguins, and sea turtles have flippers to help them dive and swim. Amphibians have 4 legs and streamlined bodies that help them dive and swim in water, as well as walk on land. Some birds also dive and swim in water to catch prey. Ducks have webbed feet to propel them through water. Flying structures allow a variety of animals to fly. 2 lightweight feathered wings allow birds to fly. while flying insects have thin membrane wings that sometimes occur in several pairs. Bats and some tree squirrels have thin skin between their front claws that allows for flying or gliding. Hummingbirds flap their wings so fast they can both fly and hover in front of a flower to get nectar. The falcon has such powerful wings that its flight is the fastest among the birds. Animals use both external and behavioral characters to help them meet their basic needs of air, water, and food. Animals must have oxygen to breathe. Fish take in oxygen in the water using gills. Other animals absorb oxygen through their skin to breathe through their noses and mouths. A variety of noses that take in air exist, from the long trunk of an elephant to the short star-shaped nose of a mole. Taking in water is essential to survival for land animals and is done in a variety of ways. By eating foods that are moist, drinking water with the beak, lapping water with the tongue, or sucking water with the trunk, or scooping water with the mouth. Eating food can be accomplished in many ways, with sharp teeth for eating meat, like lions, with flat teeth for eating grass, like horses, or with a curved beak for tearing meat, like eagles, with a short beak for picking nuts, like sparrows, or by simply swallowing the food whole, like snakes. Now that we've talked about animal characteristics, your assignment is an at-home exploration. You are to draw a picture of an animal, label all the parts of its body that help it to survive. Write what those body parts do to help it survive. Need an idea for an animal? How about a bird, ladybug, ant, butterfly, bee, fish, rabbit, or turtle? My dog Maggie. Do you see some things that help her to survive? I can't wait to see what you come up with.